the clean function. This function is used to clean files and text which are imported from other applications and contains characters that are not printable or readable. The imported data from other database text files or web pages usually contain such characters. These characters may lead to an error when given as input to some Excel functions. So, before analyzing such imported data, it is necessary to clean it up. So we use the clean function to remove all these non-printable characters which comes with data when it is imported from another application. Like we have here, this is the dirty text that has some hidden characters, so we use the clean function to remove those characters. And you can see the monthly report, you can see some character here. You can use the clean function to remove it, and same thing for this one. Now let's take an example. I can use the char function to add a non-printable material to this word clean by doing equal char 25. The char 25 is this character here, so I can concatenate it with the word clean. So I put the ampersand, that's and symbol, and clean, so I have it here. Then I will use the clean function to clean it, right? I mean remove the non-printable character. So if I do clean G4 and I click enter, it removes this character entirely, so that I can use my data for other functions correctly. This is how the clean function works. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us. Thank you.